Yeah, well, this belief I formed very early on, when I was a thorough corporate. I was a thorough corporate for 22 years. I was working with with the structure, and I was on various leadership roles. My last stint was as a CEO with a company, not with IHG, but slowly my heart, it had so many questions coming to me all the time. So when I used to question a lot about, preservation, about for the things, because in the hotel which I was working in, and my
Okay.
office used to be in Scotland, it was
Mm-hmm.
300 years. So
Okay.
very well preserved it was. It was a Victorian building converted into hotels. If you have been to United Kingdom, you will know there are a lot of many A listed, B listed buildings. So
Okay.
it was preserved very well. But
Mm-hmm.
it is not only limited to, I think, not limited only to the buildings. It
Mm-hmm.
includes the titles, institutions, personal reputations, and the glories, etc. Everything you can put in, and we
Yeah.
try to preserve it all the time. So,
Mm-hmm.
but when I embarked on the journey of my own self, I started questioning these structures around me.
Okay.
So, and I wanted to know what is it that we really need to preserve, because who has traveled to Europe will know how very well preserved European monuments or structures are. No,
Mm-hmm.
so my brief journey to the self says that human systems and the way of life is heavily focused on the superficial realities. So everything, these buildings and everything, these are superficial realities. It's not my core, no?
Yeah.
So it is like trying to preserve the fruit skin and the fruit flesh is already rotten. That is how I started feeling. Because
Okay.
what was the spirit and the soul of that place were the moving humans, the staff, the people who used to come in. And many times the heritage is being preserved, but the soul is either lost because the staff is either sick, they are not very happy in their workspaces. So these questions, they started coming up in me. So a true
Okay.
leader is always the one who preserves the soul. This is what my learning was.